Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. And if you hear two background noises, that is the TV. And then if you hear another background noise, my mom is teaching. So, she's blood. Let me turn on the TV. See, it never works. I'm just turning on the TV. Come on, turn down. See, look, I'm pressing it.
The new location features unique amenities, including a burger bar, a sushi train. I don't know what that's all about.
There you go.
A beer and wine bar, a juice bar.
There we go. And guys, so I was searching for Elfie. You might have probably seen him in the background. So I was like, because Mama said that she walked past it, so I'm going to say that when I was coming downstairs. I'm just coming down the stairs, and she said somewhere. I'm like, where could he be? And I'm like, I saw something red there, but no, that wasn't Elfie. So I kept looking. And I saw my lunchbox, so I grabbed it. And so I went in the living room. And I put my book bag and my jacket, my lunchbox, and my water bottle. I'm like, where could he be? And I changed the numbers to 20 to 19, day till Christmas. And then I looked around and around, like, where could he be? And then I came over here, and I looked at the presents. And then I came back here, and look. He was right here. I knew he was going to go in one of these. He's so cute. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm the only one downstairs. I'm just getting ready for school. I have PE today, so I can't wear my boots. Well, I could wear my boots in this outfit. Here, I'll show you. We can do a little outfit of the day. There you go. I want you guys to look low. Hold on. Let me fix you guys. Alright. So this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this black shirt with some flowers on it, and I have like a little sewing line down the middle. And then I have these stretchy pants. And if you're wondering where I got this from Target, and got these from Target. All in a Cat and Jack sale. Okay, I love Cat and Jack. That's basically the Target brand. And I have some purple and blue socks. So yeah. So that's what's going on right now. Unless I still don't eat my chocolate. But no, Mama said don't eat chocolate in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going to get ready for school, put everything in my book bag, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, so I'm back from school, and we are at Food Line because snow is about to come, so we need to get some snacks and stuff.
No, we're actually going full-blown grocery shopping.
Well, yeah.
And it's not because of snow, because now we need food.
Yeah. That's another reason.
Ready?
Okay, getting his jacket on, and we'll see you in the stores. Okay, we made it in Food Lion, and it's really busy. Really busy. I like this section of the store where it's like all this nice stuff. Ooh, they have Christmas Captain Crunch. I love Captain Crunch. They just have a lot of things and stuff. for like the holidays right here.
Offers good today only. Get holiday entertaining easy with New York Flake Light Cube Flake
Yes,
Swiss
okay.
yogurt. It's a great combination with fresh raspberries and almonds to make a delicious frozen vanilla raspberry bar. The recipe
So we made it in Food Lion.
are printing now.
Grapes, check. Apples, check. Meat, check. Chunky meat, I think, check. Pizza stuff, check. Jerk seasoning, check. Takis, for me, check. Potatoes, oh no, those are onions, check. Some chicken, check. I missed those. Taco stuff, check. Seasoning, check. Chili, check. Biscuits, check. Beans, check. Muffin makers, check. What's that? Oh, that's pepperoni. That's pepperoni. I'm just been saying check. I won't actually vlog. Say check. And him over here is he being really loud. He's saying dada. Dada? No. No. Yeah. We got a lot of things in the cart and we only been here for 10 minutes. You just gonna walk with us. Dun, 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 dun. Tomorrow it should be real rainy, and then coming into Saturday it's gonna be really cold and rainy, and then coming into Sunday we're gonna get some snow, some sleet. You know, Monday it's gonna be the worst of it, they said. Snow, sleet, and rain, and cold air.
Oh, this is your favorite spot right here, Nabisco cookies.
These are really interesting.
Get some cookies.
Thanks for buying Nabisco. Appreciate it.
They are almost.
They are so good.
Yeah.
Oh, cookies.
And the noodles
Check.
are here too?
I got a lot of peppermint already.
Which one we gonna get?
See, I've never had before. I don't know what it is.
It's a simple...
Say pow. Vlog. Now turn off the button. Now turn it off. Wait, one say. Say hey. Hey. You're so cute. I'm ready to go home. When I get home, I'm gonna fix my lunchbox. First thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna charge up my laptop, and I'm gonna get my tablet and go upstairs to go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I have to get ready for school before I go to sleep, though.
I need you to reach down there and just can like.
Ooh. Ooh, that kind of hurt. I'm not flexible anymore. Okay, bye guys. Juice. Check. Apple juice. Check. Cookies. Check. Fanta. Check. Hey guys, so we are now leaving Food Line, and we end up with a lot of groceries.
Yes, we did.
Yep.
That's the sucker, so the kiss is gross.
Oh, I'm just going to do this. Go ahead and open up the door. Oh, the door's unlocked. Yep, you gotta get your keys. Open up the door. Let Makai get in first. And then I'll put this stuff down. These coupons. Go ahead and sit down in your seat, boo-boo. Okay. There you go. Now I'm more comfortable because I got my book bag. I got Makai. So you put on my seatbelt.
Alright guys, that is the end of Vlogmas Day 6. Myanna is in bed, Shamarte too. Daddy just got home and this one is doing the most. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.